Welcome to Glado Dental Clinic, where we create miles of smiles. Become part of our family as we welcome you to our office and our dental family. At Glado, we take great satisfaction in helping you maintain optimal oral health. Our contemporary yet inviting reception is equipped with wonderful set pieces where you get to feel comfortable and also get to watch dental educational videos, watch movies, and listen to current news. Our oral hygiene cabinet is always stocked with products to help you maintain your optimal oral health, including mouthwashes, dental floss, toothpaste, toothbrushes, and many more. At Glado Dental Clinic, we have two ultra-modern equipped surgery rooms. We have the Green Smile Surgery and the Blue Smile Surgery. Both surgeries are equipped with state-of-the-art technological systems, including digital X-ray sensors for taking digital X-rays, intraoral cameras for showing patients their current oral health status, including tooth decay, gum disease, calculus, and more. Ultrasonic cleaning device for scaling and planing, rotary endodontic device for faster and efficient tooth canal treatment, oral cancer screening device for screening patients, and cavity detection device for detecting cavities. At Glado, we undertake fillings, root canal treatments, surgical and non-surgical extractions, dental crowns, dental bridges, scale and polishing, partial and complete dentures, night guards and sport guards, cosmetic dentistry, emergency dentistry, pediatric dentistry, and many more. We have modern sterilization rooms where we autoclave all our instruments to prevent transfer of bacteria, viruses, and many more. At Glado, we go beyond dental care. We care for you. We give you an exceptional experience at every visit. Try us to restore your smile and self-confidence. Glado Dental Clinic, creating miles of smiles. Locate us at Queen of Peace Junction, Anaji, near the Anaji Police Station.